Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick update video on things that have happened, things that are going to happen, and a big thank you to you guys. So to start off with, I've been in Philippines for the past 3 weeks. It's been an absolutely incredible trip. My fiance is Filipino, so I got to see her family. I got to see the provinces and the cities, and that was very eye-opening. And it was just, there were so many like picturesque scenic views as well that I saw, that you'd see from like a movie or something. But it was just incredible. And yeah, I can't wait to go back again as well. It was so good that my fiance and I have thought of possibly maybe moving there. We're going to trial some things out. We don't know yet. But if you have moved or you are, you visited Philippines, let me know in your comments what you thought down below. I loved it. The people were so good, and yeah, massive shout out to the Philippines because it was incredible. The other thing is that I have some content coming out. So I've got mini videos about the Philippines that I'm going to release. One is next Wednesday, one Wednesday after that, and so on. I might make Wednesday my release date. I'm not sure. I'll trial things out, see how that goes. And then I've got a what's in my tech bag, an updated one from when I went there, and what bag I took, what tech I took, and so on. So that's going to be coming out. And then finally, I've got a really long part 2 or part 3 kind of video with all the content and my experiences in the Philippines. So check out that when it comes out. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do get informed when those videos do drop. And finally, I just wanted to thank you guys for the massive support in 2024. My channel's not massive. I know I and stutter during my videos. I'm working on that. I'm working on building the channel. But still, I just want to say thank you so much for the support on getting this many subscribers. Thank you for your questions and the comments and your kind comments that you've said. And also as well, I want to build a community where we can grow and learn from each other as well. So if you do have questions, if I said something wrong and you want to correct me, please do, because I want to create a supportive environment within this channel. If you want to check other content out that's related to what I've just spoken about, my trip to Albufeira in Portugal, you can check that out here. My previous what's in my tech bag is here, and if you want to see other videos or subscribe, just click on this icon here. Thank you so much again, and have a great day. Peace.